Grandpa, tomorrow is my English class.
That is good, Tom. Why do you look worried?
What if I make a mistake?
Everyone makes mistakes. That's how we learn.
What if the teacher asks me to introduce myself?
So that is what is troubling you. Do not worry, Tom. I will teach you step by step.
Really, Grandpa?
Yes, my boy, it is very easy.
I want to learn. Please teach me, Grandpa.
Of course, Tom. First, when you meet someone, you say,
Hello.
Good, Tom. Very good. Now say, my name is Tom.
My name is Tom.
My name is Tom. My name is Tom.
Excellent. You can also say, I am Tom.
I am Tom. I am Tom.
Perfect, Tom.
This is easy. I think I can do it now.
Yes, English can be easy. You just need a little practice every day. Now add this. I am 9 years old.
I am 9 years old.
Very nice. Now tell them where you are from. You can do it.
Okay, Grandpa. I will try. I am from United States. I feel happy.
Wonderful, Tom. I am proud of you.
Hello. My name is Tom. I am 9 years old.
Good. Keep going.
And I like reading books and playing with my dog.
Wonderful, Tom. You did great.
I am from the United States.
Very good, my boy.
I feel proud.
Keep going. Now let us make your introduction even better.
Yes, Grandpa. I am ready.
Listen carefully. Now say Ray. I am a student.
I am a student.
You can also say, I study in grade 4.
I study in grade 4. Grandpa, now I know many sentences.
Yes, Tom, you are doing great. But wait, a good introduction can also tell what you like.
Oh, I know what I like.
Good, then let us say it in English. Say this, I like football.
I like football.
Good job. You can also say, I like reading storybooks.
I like reading storybooks.
That sounds very nice.
Look, Grandpa, this story is about a brave knight.
Can I say I like mango juice too?
Yes, you can say that too. Now, Tom, say everything together.
Okay, Grandpa.
Hello. My name is Tom. I am 9 years old.
Good.
Oh, I am from United States.
I study in 4.
I like football and mango juice.
Wonderful. That was amazing, Tom.
Yes, really.
Yes, my boy, you are learning fast.
I feel much better now.
But Tom, what if someone asks you questions?
Questions?
Yes, sometimes people ask simple questions.
Okay, Grandpa.
But what is your name?
My name is Tom.
How old are you?
I am 9 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from United States.
I am from United States. What do you like?
I like football and mango juice.
Perfect. Now let us do a real class practice.
Okay.
Please introduce yourself.
Hello. My name is Tom. I am 9 years old. I am from the United States. I am a student. I study in grade 4. I like football and mango juice.
Excellent. Now you are ready.
I am not scared anymore.
Always remember, Tom, speak with confidence.
Speak with confidence.
That is right. I will remember. Good job.
Thank you for today's lesson, Grandpa. I feel really happy. You did very well.
I am proud of you.
I can do this.
Speak with confidence.
I will try my best.
You can do it.
Hello. My name is Tom. I am a student. I am 9 years old. I study in grade 4. I am from the United States. I study at Harvard School in the United States. I like to play football. I like mango juice.
Very good, Tom. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please subscribe and press the bell icon to watch more interesting videos. Thank you for watching!